Ever open Gaming Hub and notice videos start playing automatically? It's cool for previews but not so cool for your data plans. So let's fix that. To do so, swipe up your home screen to open apps, find Gaming Hub, and then tap it to open it. Tap the three dot icon in the top corner, then tap Setting. Look for autoplay videos using mobile data. Toggle it off if you want to save mobile data and stop videos from loading in the background. This is great if you are often on mobile data and want to avoid unexpected usage. However, if you actually like instant video previews and have unlimited data, you can toggle it on instead. And that's it. Now you can choose whether Gaming Hub uses your mobile data for auto playing videos, so your data bill stays under control, or your previews stay instant, your choice. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.